Welcome back to our digital transformation series for SMBs. Each video here brings a practical step for your business journey. Today, let's talk about return on investment. Many business owners think adopting a management platform is just another cost. But the truth is, when done right, it pays for itself quickly. Think about this. A task that took 2 hours manually can now be done in 20 minutes. Multiply that across weeks, months, and your entire team. The productivity gain is huge. On top of that, errors decrease and customers notice more efficiency and suppliers get accurate information. This builds trust, and trust drives growth. That's why digital transformation should be seen as an investment. It cuts waste, increases productivity, and prepares your business to grow sustainably. This was another episode of our digital transformation series for SMBs. In the next video, I will show you the middle ground between QuickBooks and enterprise software and how Nspace fills that gap. See you there.